how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, we are gonna play with some Edward Scissorhands makeup. This is from the brand Wicked Widow Beauty. I am really excited about it. This is my first time trying the brand, and I'm just super excited about this whole theme, this whole palette. I'm gonna be creating the look that you see right here. I'll give you close-ups of the palette and swatches and all that good stuff. I will also be doing an additional look over on my Instagram and TikTok, so just stay tuned for some more inspo. This is the Scissorhands Part 2 palette. They did a Scissorhands palette, I think like a year ago is what their Instagram said, I'm not quite sure. But this is the sequel to it, and I think they're supposedly revamping the first palette to kind of match the pans of this one more. I'm not quite sure if this is limited edition or if it'll be coming back or not. I don't even know if it's in stock right now. Let me just double check for you. Yes, as of right now, it's still in stock on pre-order. Hopefully it still is by the time this video goes up, but yeah, this is the palette. We're gonna get into it. Let me just give you my accessory details before we get started. As far as the earrings I'm wearing and the choker, it was a gift from my husband and I don't remember the brand off the top of my head. And this is just a wig off of Amazon. It's quite old, and this is a CC brand beanie. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in, chat about the palette itself, and then get into the look. I'm so excited the brand reached out and wanted to send me this because as soon as I caught a glimpse of the insides of this, I lost my mind. It is so pretty. We have 16 beautiful colors, lovely wintry mattes, and delicious shifty shimmers. Like, this is completely my vibe for winter. If you saw my winter favorites video, this would absolutely have fit in if I had this palette at the time. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to keep playing with it. I love the little scissors embossings on the pans. It is just so pretty. I love the matte to shimmer ratio. We have an equal amount of both. And I feel like every shade in this palette has something different to offer, but it's all super cohesive as well. I love this color story. I think it's such a beautiful one, and I'm really excited to continue playing with it. So yeah, let's just hop into the look now, and we will chat some more at the end of the video. Hello! Let's play with some Edward Scissorhands makeup. I am so excited. It's so cute. I can't. I did want to use one of the shadows as a face highlight. I thought the bogs would be pretty cute, so let's try it out. I'm gonna use this 125 highlight brush. I'm just gonna do a little dabble of it on my nose and on my cheekbones. Ooh, that is cute. Oh, okay. That is really, really pretty. It's like so smooth, but has such a good reflect. I'm gonna have a beanie on anyway, so my forehead really doesn't matter. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. Even up close, it looks just very smooth on the skin. Ooh, that is quite a lovely highlight color. I approve this message. All right, well, let's move on to the eyes. I'm gonna prime with my Sigma eyeshadow primer. Gonna slather this on and blend it out. I hope you are doing well, by the way. I'm just getting ready for work on this lovely Friday morning. I don't even know what day it is when this video goes up. I am not quite sure when I'm uploading this, but it's Friday the 6th for me at the moment. Okay, so I think I want heavy purple outer corner, blue inner corner, lots of shimmer slathered on the lid, so let's do it. I'm gonna start with Peg, super, super cute purple. I'm gonna use the Sigma brush. It is an E45. Just gonna pick up some of that purple and start just kind of going to town on this outer corner. Just really building and blending it out here. I want it to kind of stretch out pretty far, but I also want to bring it down pretty far in the lower. I think I'm gonna use like a black liner on my waterline and really smoke it out so it has a very smoky effect. So I'm gonna really carry this purple down here just to get a nice base going when I add that black in later. Now, to deepen up that purple a little bit, I'm gonna take Mansion. I'm gonna use this 205 brush from Lethal, and just really stamping it in this outer corner area of my eye. Not bringing it too much in the inner part just because I want that to be more blue focus. I'm liking these mattes so far. They're very soft and smooth and easy to work with. Again, just focusing a lot of this in that outer lower third of my lower lash line as well, just so I get a really smoky, dramatic effect out here. And just kind of angling it up and out. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit more of Peg from before just to continue blowing all of this out, get it super, super smoky. Okay, I wanna start smoking that lower lash line now. I'm gonna take this Trooper black liner pencil from KVD Beauty And I'm just gonna focus this all up in my waterline and then kind of roughly smudging this in like my lower lash lines, like right underneath. Now I'm just gonna take a pencil brush. This one's from Alter Ego, and I'm just gonna smudge this just so it's a little bit smoother, so that when I go in with my purples next, it'll be a little smooth. I'm also just gonna take the leftover that's on this brush and just kind of add a little bit of smudginess to this outer corner of my lid. It's not really gonna look black, but just to add a little bit of smudginess. Now I'm gonna take a little bit more of Mansion from before and just again, kind of just smudge on top of that black a little bit. And as I get to the outer corner of my lower lash line, again, I am trying to drag it down a little bit further, just to put a little heavier emphasis on that outer corner. This is one of my favorite kinds of placements to do ever. I just love a super smoky lower lash line. I think it's so pretty, especially with heavy emphasis in the outer corner. And now taking some more of Peg on that fluffy brush. Again, heavy emphasis on that outer part of my lower lash line. Really dragging it down, getting it super blown out. I want that very heavy, ethereal outer lower lash line. I think it's so pretty. All right, and now let's play with some blue. I want to start with Belle's, that beautiful rich blue. I'm gonna use this Sigma E27 and just start tucking it in this front part of my crease. I'm not gonna drag it super far up or anything. I'm just targeting it right here. I'm gonna use a lighter blue to blend it out. I just kind of want to lay that placement down so that it's ready for me. And to blend it out, I'm gonna take Snowflakes. I'm gonna use this Gavisi Beauty G210, and I'm just going to go pretty ham in this inner corner. That's a lot of pigment. I'm wiping some of that off. I love that blue, that's so pretty. And I just want it to blend into the purple. I am gonna be doing half cut creasy stuff, so I'm not super concerned with what my lid area looks like, so that's gonna get covered anyway. Just focusing on the blend upwards towards the brow, all up in the front of my crease. I am obsessed with that. I love that rich, bright blue. It's so pretty. Taking my NYX glitter primer for some shimmer now. I'm gonna take this ColourPop E3 flat brush. I'm just gonna plop some of this glitter primer on my lid and kind of trace out roughly where I want that cut to be. For me and my eye shape and my preferences, I like to go just above my natural crease and just kind of follow the roundness of my eye, stopping it where things are deepening up in the outer corner. I'm really excited about this look. I think it's so cute so far. So for the front of my lid, I'm gonna start with Imperfect, and I want it to blend into this one. What are you called? Ice Dance. That's so cute. I love Edward Scissorhands so much. It's by far one of my favorite movies. Definitely one of my favorite Tim Burton movies. So taking that first one, Imperfect, and I'm gonna use that to kind of follow that line where I want my cut to be. Just kind of wiggling back and forth. It's a really smooth and pretty shimmer. And now I'm gonna grab some more and focus it heavily in that front. Oh my gosh, it's so twinkly and pretty. Just like really patting it on there. And I want it to cover the majority of my lid, but I wanna leave this kind of corner down here blank for that more purpley shimmer. I just love how twinkly and ethereal that shimmer is, my goodness. So taking Ice Dance, I'm just gonna use my little finger here. I'm just gonna plop that in the outer corner of my lid so that it can be a nice blend shade from that first shimmer into my outer corner with all that purpley stuff. Now I'm just kind of patting that first shimmer right on that seam where both shimmers meet so they can blend together nicely. I'm gonna take a little bit more of Mansion on that Lethal brush and just lightly blend and smudge where the matte and shimmer meet as well in the outer corner. I'm loving this. The only thing I want to do now is just take the Bogs again and highlight my inner corner. Just gonna plop it in there. Such a good inner corner shade, my goodness, I love it. It's just such an enchanting color, it's so pretty. I'm actually gonna take a little bit more. I'm gonna pop some on my brow bone area too, why not? We're already this colorful, might as well keep adding to it. Oh, that's really nice. Well, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna finish up my look, throw on my lashes, an eye pencil, something on my lips, my wig, and I'll be back when I'm complete. This is my final look complete. I'm obsessed with this. I think it's so pretty. It's so ethereal, a little bit whimsical with the sparkles, and I just love that heavy lower lash line. I love this look. I'm loving this palette so far. I'm really excited about it. These lashes are the Jessie lashes, I think. Yes, the Jessie lashes from Salem Cosmetics. And on my lips, I went with the Blend Bunny Tease pencil with this Lawless Rosy Outlook Gloss over top. It's basically clear. It's mostly the lip pencil giving my lips some color, but yeah, I love this look. I hope you like it too. Let's zoom out and finish up this video. Thank you so much for watching my video playing with the Scissorhands 2 palette. I'm so excited about this. I guess we played with 4 out of 8 of the mattes today, so that's pretty good. I do want to play with some more. I want to hit up those greens, and like this mustard is calling my name for sure. And these shimmers are beautiful. I guess we played with 3 of them. I used that as a highlight shade, and then we used these 2. But all these different greeny, tealy ones are gorgeous. I love the look of this like silvery one. It's so, so pretty. I'm excited to keep playing with this one some more. I found the quality to be really nice to work with. I feel like the mattes are very soft and very blendable. They have really good pigmentation off the bat, but it's not like difficult to work with that I've found so far. I'm excited to see more from this brand. I'm excited to play with this palette in particular some more. The shimmers are breathtaking. I like cannot stop staring at my lids. They're just so wet looking and beautiful. Really, really excited about it. I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you picked this palette up? Do you want to pick this palette up? Have you tried anything from this brand before? I would love to chat down below. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave emojis that make you think of Edward Scissorhands? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I'm battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. I literally feel like I completely turn into a different human from the beginning of this video to the end. Like, I'm sorry. The old Betty Jean can't pick up the phone right now. She is dead.